again friends, I am pleased to see you all in my channel Level Up For You. You might know about the term called melanism, and if you don't know, I will introduce this word to you. It is a term used for the development of dark colored pigments in the skin, which is totally opposite to albinism. From this only you might have guessed our today's topic. So our today's topic is about 3 such amazing magical creatures of the nature and their some amazing properties. So stay tuned and let's start. Number 1. The black hen. So now you'd be thinking that I am talking about the Indian black hen, which is Kadaknath. But I am not at all talking about that hen. But eventually I am talking about this hen, which is purely black and is found in Indonesia. Every part of this unique bird is black from its feathers to its feet, and it also has inky internal organs, which is the result of a condition called fibromelanosis, a harmless genetic mutation that causes extra melanin to seep into the bird's tissue. This process happens in embryo, resulting in dark Cemani chicks. This bird has inspired folklore since the 12th century, when it was considered a bird of the elite. Its charcoal-colored blood is remote to be a delicacy of spirits that bring power and wealth, making it a good luck charm. Researchers said black chicken has full of antioxidant, which helps to keep our health and prevent sickness and common colds. The antioxidant that is found in black chicken is carnosine. Besides, it also offers higher levels of iron, minerals, vitamins and nutrients usually present in the regular chicken. But the meat really doesn't taste different by nature. It's just chicken. In fact, if you are looking for a free range and well-raised bird, choosing a black chicken is a good way to go. According to an infomercial, there is either no taste difference too much, but the black chicken is somewhat sweeter than the regular chicken. And the making or cooking of the regular chicken and black chicken is same. Now many people will ask, what is the difference between Jaguar and Panther? And many people will even ask, what is the difference between Leopard and Panther? Actually no difference. If you go to America and spot a Panther, then it will be Jaguar. And if you go to Asia or Africa, and if you spot a Panther, it is a leopard with melanism. Today we are going to talk about some unknown questions and some unanswered questions about Black Panthers, which are, the first question is that why is Panther black? I have already told you that this is due to melanism. Now I will explain you in somewhat more big procedure. The black color of this panther is caused by a special mutations in the animal's genes, known as melanism. Such a mutation is very common among the predatory cat family. For example, half of all the local leopards in Malaysia are black panthers with melanism. The black color of these animals has particular importance. After all, nature is always wise in its actions. So many black panthers live in dense forest where, with the lack of dark animals, and is less noticeable, which makes their lives much more easier. Now at of what colors are panthers? Actually, all panthers are black. And after all, the black color only makes them panthers. But if you look on a black panther closely, then you can realize some dark spots of different shades. Actually, panthers are a kind of very large predators, and they can weigh up to 40 to 50 pounds and can grow up to 2 meters long. Where do black panthers actually live? The answer for this question is that they live in wide geographical areas. Many of them live on the African continent, especially in the mountains of Ethiopia and Kenya. They are found in Asia and South America. However, the black panthers of South America has a significant difference from the black panthers of Asia, America, and they are actually black jaguars, when in Asia they are black leopards. Actually, panthers are quite dangerous animals. And when they are hungry, they can even attack or hunt down a human. And due to their black color, they are almost invisible in the forest at night, which helps them to keep a watch on the potential prey without any major problem. The lifespan of a black panther is from 10 to 12 years. But there are even cases when a black panther has lived up to 20 years. So now we'll see that are these black roses even real? Because even if you search in Google about this black rose, then you will see this, like many people are saying that this photo is photoshopped and etc. etc. So now let us uncover the mystery of this flower. In 2013, when a video of the black rose that grew in Turkey went viral. This rare colored flower called Karagül in Turkish bloomed in Halfeti, a village near the historical Euphrates river. It was said that the flower bud starts out a deep shade of red and progresses to a rich black as the flower opens. Accidentally, when the black rose of Halfeti is grown elsewhere, the emerging flower is a typical red rose. This is because the black hue is said to be the result of Halfeti's unique soil pH brought about by the water from Euphrates river. The story sounds suspicious, especially since when one looks up the black rose of Ferret online, most results show images of black rose looking heavily edited. As I told you, it looks like they have photoshopped it. And when the scientists went there to research on the rose, they found that the village of Halfeti was submerged in water due to a dam broke a few years ago. And now it will look like that the rose story was just a hoax, but some say it is a tourism marketing stunt. Scientifically, black pigmentation in plants is extremely rare but not impossible. In fact, this is only exists in horticultural plant cultivars. Black roses can only be produced by subjecting certain rose plants to breeding programs and propagation techniques, but this does not even guarantee a perfectly colored black rose. And now let us discuss some meaning and symbolism of black rose. Despite being almost a fictional flower or a plant, the flower or this rose is completely popular in the world and has many symbolisms or meanings. In the language of flowers, the black rose has grim connotations such as death, hatred, and goodbye. Up until today, people who mourn the death of a loved one carry with them a black rose. On a lighter note, black rose also symbolize rebirth and new beginnings. The prospect of these new opportunities brings courage and hope. The pursuit of true black rose still continues, and people's dedication to this made the black rose a symbol of pure devotion. Did you enjoy watching this video? If you really did, then leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any appreciation or want some improvement, then you can suggest that in the comment box. So it's all for today. Till then, goodbye.